Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. It's another opportunity for us to go through the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, we will be analyzing the market together, and also we will be considering so many things. We will be looking at so many things in the market to decide on which direction the market is going or what we should go for whenever we are trading whenever we are trading tonight. Okay, and thank you guys for joining me live and direct on this. Okay, so we'll be doing the analysis together right away. But before we go fully into that, if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time to watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Make sure you understand everything explained in the video, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. That is very, very important. If you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. All you just need to do that is just to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notification. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have for today. So we will be checking out the market to do our analysis, okay, and we'll be doing that together. I know you guys have been waiting for this, so we'll be doing that together. So before we go fully into that, I want to say thank you for sharing your results with me. Yesterday's results, they were fantastic. I thank you. Thank you for taking advantage of it, and also I'll make sure you withdraw something for yourself from the trading platform, okay? And okay, let me quickly say this in case of you are just joining us for the first time, and also just to remind you about the normal tradition that we usually do on this program, okay? The first thing is this is going to be based on my technical know-how. Everything we'll be doing here tonight is going to be based on my technical know-how, and also it is also going to be based on the indicator that I am using, which is called the QDC scraper indicator. And if you have it, you can also join me and do the analysis together. Okay, let's analyze together to see how things are in the market, okay? And of course, it is also going to be based on the exact time which I'm doing this and the time frame which I will be using. So if you are not joining us live and direct on this, then you might need to check the chart whenever you are seeing it, okay? That is also very, very important. And about the $500 per day, that depends on your trading capital and also the lot size you are using, okay? So you don't expect to use $10 to make $500 in a day. I'm not saying it is not impossible. There's nothing impossible right here, but such opportunities are very, very rare, so I'm not going to encourage that, okay? So what I can say is that this will help you to grow your trading capital in a good way, in a healthy way, and also you will be able to withdraw something for yourself, okay, at the end of the trading activity. So that is all we need to know before we jump into that. So right now we can go into the chart to check out each of these assets one after the other. So the first one we will be looking at is Boom 1000. So let's check out Boom 1000 to see what is happening with Boom 1000. Wow, this is Boom 1000. It's been on a very strong uptrend right from here, just the way we have seen it, guys. It's been on a very strong uptrend. The uptrend started right from here, just the way we have seen it from this support zone, and it's been spiking up and spiking up. It's a very strong uptrend. It has been trying to fight back to go into a downtrend, but this will take some time to go because the uptrend was a very powerful one. So all I will say is that it is going to sell, but wait for it to break out from this support zone, most especially from the 4 MA candles. Wait for it to break out from here before you go into the trade, okay? Okay, once it breaks out from there, then you can go into the trade and trade along. If it does not, then that means it will continue with the uptrend for a very long time. It can go like that for hours. Okay, once it is approaching the 4 MA candles and it is unable to break it, it keeps on spiking up and spiking up until it is able to break it. Of course, the gap between the resistance and the support and the 4 MA candles are narrowing down, so which means that it will break it very soon. But how soon it's going to be, I don't know. Okay, so it depends on the market situation. So it's going to be a sell, but this is what I will say: wait for the breakouts. For the breakout, guys, that is very, very important. Wait for the breakout. If it's not breaking out, do not go into it. Okay, let's check out boom 500 right away. Okay, for boom 500, okay, let's check it out. Okay, this is boom 500. It was also on a very long strong uptrend, also starting from here, guys. Starting from here, it's been spiking up starting from here, and it went up to that resistance level right here, which led to the end of the trend. Right now it is going back on downtrend. It is around the, you can see that it is finding it difficult to break out from the 4 MA candles. The reason is the trend that it was coming up from, coming from, was a very strong and powerful one. So all I will say about this also is for you to wait till it breaks out from here. Once it breaks out from there, you can go into the trade and sell. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to that. Okay, so we have the same thing for both boom 1000 and boom 500, guys. So that is what we are getting today. Okay, so you also need to wait for the breakout. The same thing that is happening in, okay, let me just put it here, because some people will still say I didn't put it there. Okay, okay, good. Then let's go for crash 1000 right away. So where's crash 1000? This is crash 1000. Okay, as we can see, crash 1000 is right here. You can see that this is the support zone, and it's also on a very strong uptrend. Got to this level, pull back again, and this time around broke out from this resistance zone and went up to this level to end the trade right here. So it is going back on downtrend. Okay, but we also find it difficult to break out successfully from this support zone. Okay, so wait for it to break out from here. Okay, so it is also going to be a sell for crash 1000. The same thing happening with the three chart that we have analyzed tonight. So let's check out crash 500 right away. The same thing. Okay, crash 500, sorry. Okay, this is crash 500, guys. This is crash 500. I'm coming and quickly confirm it. Okay, yeah, this is crash 500, guys. This is crash 500. You can see it right here that it was on a very strong uptrend right here, even though it didn't go for a very long time, but it was cool enough because it was a smooth trip. Okay, but right from this resistance level, it has started it has been crashing down right from that resistance level, but finding difficult to break out from these support zones. Okay, so that is the only issue right there, but it is on a downtrend. Okay, so it is going to be a sell for crash 500. Okay, that is all we have for tonight's analysis, guys. That is what we are able to get for tonight's analysis. You need to be patient enough. If you are not patient enough, you might lose your money. So please, I'm begging you, try as much as possible to wait for the exact time to jump into the trade before you jump into the trade. I don't want you to lose your money. I want you to make profits with this. Okay, if you are not getting the right signal to trade tonight, you can wait for tomorrow, guys. You can wait for tomorrow because there are so many conditions around today's analysis. Okay, so you need to be very, very careful whenever you are trading. Make sure you follow every rules and regulation on everything I have explained or highlighted in tonight's video. That is very, very important. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. If you are new on this platform, please, you will need to learn how to do this. Okay, I won't advise you to go directly into your real account to implement some of this, because you need to understand the way these assets works. Okay, boom 500 crash 500, boom 1000 crash one, crash 1000. You need to understand their movement, the way they work before you start trading them. All these are very, very important. So you will need to go back to my channel and watch some of my video clips to understand the way they work. And if you must pick any trade tonight, let it be on your demo account. But for those of you that have been doing this all this while, I'll kindly follow the instructions on what I have explained in my video tonight and pick up your trade and milk the market safely. Okay, milk the market safely and learn to take your profit, and also learn to withdraw something for yourself. Okay, learn to pay yourself. That is very, very important. I'm always happy when I hear that you actually withdraw a certain amount of money for your personal use. I'm always happy. So I'll be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God